Relief teams in Nepal are being met with scenes of destruction like this. Homes destroyed, food supplies gone, and lives lost in the massive quake. Access is tough in the mountain nation, but aid is reaching earthquake victims. The RYOT Foundation is working with Operation Blessing to provide food, plastic sheets for shelter, and clean water to Nepalese villagers who lost everything. The road to recovery will be long and difficult for Nepal, and for now, just the basics are what is needed to help the vulnerable and exhausted survivors. Make a donation now at the NepalQuakeProject.com and make an impact in the lives of these Nepalese survivors. Nepal needs us. Let's be there for them.